Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Urvashi, and in today's video I'm going to talk about some of the UX terms or UX jargon that we use in our daily design work. So I have made a video on this previously. I don't know what terms I have covered in that video. So I am picking up some random UX terms, some important terms, and I will explain you what are they. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first term is user-centered design process or user-centered design. That means a design process or a design approach that prioritizes the needs and wants of the user throughout the design and development process. What that means is we prioritize the user's needs while designing our product so that we can make that product user centered and increase its user experience. For doing that, what we will do is we do user research and understand the user needs and their wants, and then create the product according to their needs and wants. So this is what we call user-centered design or user-centered design process. Second one is usability. What that means is the extent to which users can use your product effectively and complete their task with satisfaction. That means they are able to complete their task easily without any confusion, without any difficulty. They are achieving their goals effectively and with satisfaction. We can take an example of Amazon. While we are placing an order, if you are finding any difficulty, then there is a usability issue. And if you are not finding any difficulty, you are able to place your order in 1 to 2 minutes, then it's a good usability or good user experience. So this is what we call usability. Third one is user interface. It is a graphical or interactive element that includes screens, menus, icons, images through which users interact. So it's a user interface through which users interact with your product. What we see when we open any app or a website, it's a user interface. So user interface, it's a graphical and interactive element that includes icons, menus, screens, images and other interactive elements through which users interact with your product. Like when we open any app, like I have opened any app like Instagram, and whatever I'm seeing in front of my eyes, it's a user interface. Fourth one is information architecture. That means it defines the structure of the screen or a particular feature. Like if I am creating some page, I am creating a awards page. So what will be the structure of that page? Which section will come first? And after that, what are the sections? What are the subsections? It's a information architecture. We define this through information architecture, and also we use wireframes to represent our information architecture. So it's basically the information architecture explains the structure of the website or app. Fifth one is user flow. What that means is it's a path that users take to accomplish his or her specific goals. Like if I am placing order on Amazon, so what will be my path? That path is called user flow. Like if I am clicking on buy now button and I am directly placing the order from the product page. So that's my path. It's a user flow. The path the user takes to achieve or to complete its specific goal. It's a user flow. The next one is user testing. It is the process of collecting feedback from real users to evaluate the usability and effectiveness of the product. You are basically taking the feedback of the real user by giving them your prototype or wireframe to complete their task, and asking them what are the difficulties are you facing and what are the opportunities that can be addressed in that product. So basically what we are doing is we are taking feedback from real users so that we can evaluate the usability and effectiveness of the product. Next one is accessibility. What it means is it is the process in which we design the product for the people with disabilities. There are many disabilities out there, so for that designers design products so that it can suit the people with disabilities like visual or visual impairment or any other problem they are facing. So for that we consider the people with disabilities only, so that we can understand what they can use and how we are going to create that product for them, so that it will be easier for them to use that product. So it's the accessibility. It is the process in which we design the product for the people with disabilities like visual and motor impairments, so that they can also use the product like the normal people. Next one is A/B testing. It is the method in which we compare two different designs of web page or app screens so that we can identify which one performs better in terms of conversion and usability. So basically what we are doing here is we are comparing two different designs against each other, and then we are taking feedbacks from real users or our colleagues so that we can understand which one performs better in terms of conversion and usability. Next one is affordance. What it means is a design element that suggests its function, such as a button which is clickable. So how we identify a button from other elements? Because of its design. So it's a affordance. That means a design element that suggests its function by just seeing it, like a button is clickable. Next one is Hicks Law. That means it's a psychological principle that says time the person takes to make a decision increases with the number of choices available. Like there are many substitutes out there for any given product. Like I am browsing on Amazon and I am searching for a cover for my phone. So for that cover, against that cover, there are many substitutes. There are many other choices. So it will increase my time to make a decision because there are so many choices available online. So this psychological principle is known as Hicks Law, which states the time taken by a person increases with the number of choices available to him or her. That, like I give you an example of Amazon. If I am searching for anything and there are some other choices available, then my time for making decision will increase because of the choices available. So it's a Hicks law. Next one is cognitive load, which means this is a mental effort required to process the information and complete the task. If the information is complicated and not easy to understand, then it will be difficult for the user to complete a task. So reducing the cognitive load is important while we are creating any product. because then it will become difficult for the users if the information is complicated and it is taking time for them to complete any task. The last one is responsive design. Designing websites and apps to adapt and display optimally on different devices and screen sizes is known as responsive design. And to create responsive design, we use auto layout on Figma so that it will get fit sorry it will get fit on different screen sizes. So it is called responsive design. I don't know how many I have covered in my previous video. I don't know. Actually, I have covered 11 UX terms in my previous video, and maybe I have repeated them in my current video. So let me know if I have missed something, missed some UX terms, so that I can address them in my next video. So that's all for today. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit that like button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.